Welcome back, and here we are with our fourth video where I'm going to show you how to leverage the auto-tagging and search system of Kosmik. So in the previous video, especially video number 2 and number 3, I showed you how you can use Kosmik to clip content from the web or from a PDF file. And I also showed you a panel that appears when you click on an object and then on the tag button where we add a description with our AI system plus a few tags. What is interesting is that anytime you clip something from a web page like that one, we're going to do that. We're going to apply tags. And we also do that on web pages themselves, which means that we also index the content of the web page, and you can use Kosmik as your personal search engine. So to leverage all of those great features, just click on the search button in the sidebar or press Command Q to invoke the palette and type, for example, chair. And we're going to show you all the pictures of chairs we have we've detected in your Kosmik account, including the ones that are not in that universes. You can filter by workspace. Here I only have one. You can search in all your workspaces. And as you see, we even surface web pages themselves. So that's how you can use search in Kosmik. Let me show you another example. Click here, type green, click on it, and you're teleported directly to that content, which is very, very handy. Of course, if the content is in another universe, we take you to that universe and we center you on that content. So a very useful feature that's going to make even more powerful in the next few weeks. So that's how to leverage search, auto tagging, description, and how to build your own personal database with Kosmik. And in the fifth video, which will be the last one, where I'm going to show you how to manage your workspaces, invite people to your universes, or publish them on the web. Thank you so much and see you very soon. Bye.